In front of me is Tecno Spark Go 2024, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts. Select Add Contact and click on the one that you wish to add. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. As you can see, all of my contacts were successfully added. If you wish to change order of them, hit Reorder at the top right corner. Hold the chosen one and drag it. After arranging your list perfectly, you can click on Save at the top right corner to save your changes. To delete one of those numbers, click on Remove button next to the chosen one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!